Imagine waking up to an AI that has already scheduled your day, responded to your emails, ordered your groceries, and even programmed a new app, all without you lifting a finger. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. AI agents like OpenAI's AutoGPT and Google's Gemini Advanced are changing the way we work, live, and interact. But here's the big question. Are AI agents just helpful assistants, or are they replacing human workers at an alarming rate? Let's find out. Part 1. What are autonomous AI agents? To understand where we are heading, let's first define autonomous AI agents. Unlike traditional AI chatbots, which require human input for every interaction, AI agents can think, plan, and execute tasks on their own. It learns from interactions, makes decisions, and executes tasks without human supervision. But how do they do it? For example, AutoGPT can be given a goal like planning a vacation and it will research flights, book hotels, and create an itinerary without needing additional prompts. Then there's Devin AI, the world's first AI software engineer, capable of debugging code, writing software, and even deploying applications, all autonomously. AI agents use something called multi-step reasoning, breaking down complex tasks into smaller, achievable actions. Think of it like hiring an intern who learns and improves over time, but in this case, the intern never sleeps, never complains, and works faster than any human. Part 2. Real-world applications of AI agents. AI agents are already being used in major industries. Number 1. Business productivity. Companies like Amazon and Tesla are using AI agents to optimize supply chains, automate customer service, and even handle financial transactions. Number 2. Software development. Devin AI is writing code faster than human programmers, potentially revolutionizing the tech industry. Number 3. Healthcare. AI doctors are diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than human doctors by analyzing massive datasets. Number 4. Finance. AI-powered trading bots are making stock market decisions in milliseconds, outperforming human analysts. And number 5. Autonomous vehicles. Tesla's full self-driving mode isn't just a driver assist, it's an AI agent learning from billions of miles driven to make real-time decisions. AI doctors diagnose 50% faster. AI coders write deploy apps instantly, and AI trading makes stock decisions in 0.002 seconds. But with all these advancements, there's one major concern. What happens to human jobs? Part 3. Are AI agents taking over human jobs? A recent study suggests that AI automation could replace up to 40% of jobs in the next decade. That's millions of jobs in customer service, programming, and even creative fields. Let's take AI-generated content, for example. Platforms like OpenAI's Sora and Google's Veo are now capable of generating entire videos from text prompts. Imagine an AI that can create a Hollywood-level film without needing a director, scriptwriter, or editor. And it's not just creative jobs. AI-powered robotic arms in Amazon warehouse are replacing human workers at a rate faster than ever before. The big question is, can humans adapt? While AI agents are replacing some roles, they're also creating new job opportunities, but only for those who know how to work with AI, not against it. Even though there are certain job risks like at call centers, coding and content creation, there are also new opportunities like AI supervision, ethical AI, and prompt engineering. But the real challenge is ensuring that AI doesn't outpace our ability to control it. Part 4. The future, or will AI agents control the economy? Experts predict that fully autonomous AI agents could manage entire businesses, run governments, and even create their own AI-driven societies. The fear is that AI-controlled economies could lead to mass job displacement, economic inequality, and even AI systems manipulating financial markets. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI governance systems are being developed to regulate AI decision-making before it spirals out of control. The real challenge is ensuring humans remain in charge of AI, and not the other way around. Regulations are coming, but will they be enough? So, are AI agents replacing us? The answer isn't black and white. AI is changing the world faster than we ever imagined, but how we adapt will determine the future. In the next video, we'll explore how AI isn't just replacing jobs. It's personalizing everything about our lives, from the content we consume to the way we think. Let's keep the AI conversation going. Drop a comment below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.